So we've fallen into a state, whoopsie, and we want to be in another, of course. We can fall into the state of poverty really easily by reacting to something we see or hear or think about it way too much and contemplate it. It's just as easy to fall into the state of wealth. Neville gives us a fabulous description in the lecture Live the Answer Now from 1968. Somebody asked me the question, how do I occupy a state? So let's see what Neville says. He says, without the help of any man or government, you could lose everything you possess and become dependent upon society. All you need do is enter the state of poverty. Or, again, without asking help, you could assume wealth by occupying the state. Remain faithful to it, and you will discover that the state has its own way of externalizing itself. You must, however, give the desired state occupancy. So the big fat magic word is occupancy. He shares a little more. He says, how do you occupy a state? By asking yourself, how would you feel? What would you see, hear and touch, taste and smell if your dream were real? Take time to set the stage. Being the star of your production, place yourself center stage. Then allow a friend to enter and see you in your new state. Write the script, the words he would say when he sees you. Feel his touch, and by that Neville means you can use your friend. See your imaginary hand when you're in your meditative state. You see your hand, you feel your inner man, your imaginary hand. Come out, feel it. Hold your friend's hand or your parents, whoever you're going to shake hands with. Me if you want to. You feel it in your imagination. That's what Neville means by spiritual sensation. So you would hear them say congratulations, or hear yourself say congratulations on whatever it is you're trying to accomplish. Congratulations on your fabulous marriage. Wow, look at your wealth. Congratulations to you. Something like that, my darlings. Use all your senses. A little bit more here. He says, clothe yourself with the reality of the state you have just created in your imagination. You need not ask anyone's permission or help, but moving into the new state in your imagination, simply remain there until you feel its reality. Then let the feeling go its way towards fulfillment. So there you go, my darlings. It's really easy to move into one state. If you don't like it, move into another. You do it all in your imagination, because consciousness is the only reality. Please hit like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and don't forget to follow and share if you found it useful. Drop a comment, I'll get back to you. Big fat kiss, because we're all about love up here. Thanks, guys.